side of it when you take the video.
He'll be 3. He's 3 today. Okay, you're through. Get your cake. Oh, to get the candles out, Danny.
Oh, okay. Oh, stop, stop, stop. I gotta get the candles. Okay, got him. Good boy. Take it off.
Hey, bud, what you got?
Can you take the hat off? Yeah, spread his paws out.
What is it? Is that good? Oh, my little man. That's a good muffin right there. He put the whole thing in his mouth. You are silly. I'll clean that off later. Hey, Kane. Happy birthday.
Can't see.
Kane. Kane. I'm going to send this to Grandma and Grandpa. My little man's 3 today. Good boy.